If you're a complete beginner coming back to the guitar, or you just want to sharpen your skills, head to the Skill Builder section. 3-note chromatic on the 5th fret of the 6th string. All right, here we go. 2, ready, go. Down pick, up pick, down. All right, 3-note chromatic. We're starting to get a little right hand centric. If your right hand doesn't quite alternate pick yet, head to the alternate picking video or head back to the 4-note chromatic where we start locking in that right hand. As we head to a 3-note chromatic, what becomes complicated is that our right hand is now shifting, and it's very important. You don't really need to start this drill until your right hand is mildly comfortable alternate picking. What happens on this one, on the 4-note chromatic, we did down, up, down, up. So then the next string is down, up, down, up. But the 3-note chromatic adjusts our right hand, so we have down, up, down. Now the next string should be up, down, up. And then the next string is down, up, down. So if we're looking at phase 1 of this drill, our right hand is already kind of functioning. And then we're going to do the same that we did with the 4-note chromatic. No metronome to start, nice and slow, working on our hands. Our point of contact is kind of left hand, but really mostly right. So we should be looking down at our right hand, starting to trust our left hand as we go into this drill. 5th fret, 6th string, here we go. 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, same as before. Just go north to south, lowest to highest for a little bit, especially in phase 1. As we head to phase 2, we will start going backwards. This one shouldn't take quite as long as the 4-note chromatic, as the right hand and left hand should start being responsive. On our way back, we're going to start with a down pick. Ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Jump that string, down. Okay, cool. If that starts feeling good, on to phase 2, we're going to go ahead and add the metronome in. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, down, up, down. We're going to pause at the top, reset for a second. Let's go. Ready, go. Down pick. On this one, we're going to start on that 5th fret. I love the middle of the guitar. But once you get comfortable on phase 3 or so, head down to the 3rd fret, head up to the 7th, and even head up to the 9th, as we're going to start to get prepared for our 3-note chromatic snake. Mental mindset time. I find these little nuggets are typically the things that get in the way of the pillars. And I think if you watch these over time, that eventually one in that moment will click and you might say, man, that is exactly where my head is at. So hopefully they can really help. I call this one presence over comparison. The only thing that matters is where you are at. We live in such a world where we are constantly bombarded by what's going on around us and what people are doing around us, as well as our expectations frequently don't meet our reality. But guess what? These do not matter. Guitar is a delayed gratification process. That means that the work you put in today, tomorrow, and over the course of a few months eventually shows up and you start reaping the rewards. Well, that's where the magic happens. When you start reaping the rewards of your presence over comparison and you start enjoying your work, you'll be working on the next thing while enjoying what you did in the past. So presence over comparison. Hey, you made it this far, and that is absolutely awesome. That means that you truly care about learning and understanding. That's why I built FretRepz for you. It offers clarity, tracks progress, and turns drills into real skills. No more wasted time, no more guessing. Head to the link below or go to FretRepz.com and give it a try. Also, if you found this information helpful, please subscribe and ring that notification bell because we got plenty more coming. FretRepz. Practice smarter, play better.